Hi family, hey family. Happy Thursday, August the 27th. So guys, today is a good day. I just got through working out. I did my 2-mile jog. I did my 50 jumping jacks, and I did my 100 jump rope. Just one set of 100 jump rope. So today guys, we're gonna have a little fun in this video. We're gonna do like a little story time, and I'm just gonna take y'all like through some of my day. I got to go run a couple of errands. But anyway, hopefully you're going to get out and get some exercise. I just wanted to touch on this one topic that I've been hearing, or I just see. I might not watch the whole video, but I'll click on it or something, and they might say, you know, something about the quarantine weight. I don't understand how people. I do understand, and then a part of me don't understand. And I think the part of me that don't understand is because a lot of people have free time. We can work from home, which I've been doing, working from home. Got some side hustles going on. I'm going to do a story time too, y'all, on my little side hustle. So anyway, going back to the quarantine and stuff, people gaining weight, they keep saying, let me get rid of this quarantine weight. We can't even shop in the stores like we used to. So me personally, that gives you more opportunity to get out here and get some fresh air. We need the fresh air for the simple fact we can't go to the stores like we used to, because a lot of people don't feel comfortable in the stores for long periods of time. So basically you have more time to get out here to enjoy. First of all, you're going to enjoy the Father's beautiful earth that he gave us. Being out in the woods and the trees and the parks, it's like a lot of oxygen and stuff, and it just makes you feel good. Even if you're having a bad day, it makes you smile. I mean, you can see other people, you can say hi, because you got to remember, most people are closed in. And the ones that's not getting out, getting exercise, when you get to these places, you can speak to people. You can say hi, even if they don't say hi back, because a lot of people right now are really acting really ugly. But you can turn ugly into goodness and greatness and love, okay? So when people don't speak, it doesn't matter. It makes you feel good. It builds you up inside. So I just want to say that. So y'all, quick story time. I don't know, a lot of you might know, I do rideshare sometimes. So I picked up a couple, I'm not bashing nobody. You live your life the way you want. I'm sorry, I just call it like I see it. I'm sorry. We're living in a real world. But anyway, long story short, I picked up a girl and a guy. So I kept having to tell the young people, I don't know how they were young, to put the guy, I make him sit on this side. So I'm like, put your mask on, put your mask on. So he kept on smiling and laughing. And I'm thinking, like, why do you keep on smiling and laughing? Like, I'm not playing. You're in my truck and you have to follow my rules. I need you to put your mask on. So I proceeded to take them where I was taking them. So I guess, they were going, I was dropping them off at a restaurant. So I take my glasses off. I need a break. I need a high break. I am so sweaty. So long story short, y'all, it was finally I get them to their destination, and come to find out as they get out, I had to tell them like, please stop, because you're disrespectful, and just do what I asked you to do. I didn't ask you to do it right. So like, it was so funny. Y'all know who was so funny, but I didn't think it was funny. I don't judge people. I just hold you accountable. So you're gonna see. Okay, y'all. When they get out of my car, the girl, she said something, and they still was laughing. I was like, what is so funny? She says he ain't no girl. I mean, he ain't no boy. He a girl. I said, what? That ain't no. Then they had to ask me. I'm thinking to myself, you look like a dude, like a boy, a man. I thought it was a man. You look like a man. You presented yourself like a man. Your characteristics, everything was like a man. And you're gonna get mad because you did my car. And I actually think you're a dude. When you're trying to portray yourself as a dude, and you're mad, then I don't think you need to be doing that, because you look like one. Y'all, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? So, yeah, my head, I just was like, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. This is to people who, if you're going to be doing stuff like that, don't get mad. Don't get mad. I just didn't understand that. Like, why are y'all mad at me? Like I said, when I pick them up, if a guy get in my car, or a man, whoever, I make them sit on this side. The passenger, the driver's side, the back of the driver's side. But you, a girl, and looking like a dude, and you mad at me because I really think you look like a dude. Y'all, if y'all could have seen it, like, y'all, you would have said the same thing. Okay, he got to get on this side, she got to get, yeah. So y'all, I'm going to end with it. I'm going to close this video out. If I have anything else, I'll bring you guys along, but I'm going to make my few runs, and you guys, hope you enjoyed this story time, and I'll see you in another part of the video. Hey guys, we're back home. So we're just going to get into it. I hope y'all enjoyed that story time, and like I said, I'm going to give y'all another one because I have another good one. So let's brighten her up. So guys, today we are in the closet, but right now we're going to do a, come on now, what is going on with the light? Okay, this is OOTD, if y'all can see. Let me see, I'm turning it the wrong way. OOTD, guys. I got on these really nice shoes here, and they are burlap. They have burlap rope on them. Like, if you can see, they have burlap rope right here. Really, really pretty. And I just have on my blue jean shorts. They're really like, actually they're linen material. And then I have on a really nice white top here. So yeah, that's OOTD, and I have on a silk scarf with a little bun. I don't know if y'all can see my hair, but yeah. Oh, for, who is that? Jay Johnson. Remember you said why don't you put your mirror in the closet? I did. Or put a mirror in the closet. I did, and I'm going to show you. Here is the mirror in the closet. Here, y'all. Now you can see a OOTD of the day. See, I can't do this camera. Y'all see that? This girl has been doing videos for the longest and can't get used to the camera. But yeah, OOTD. Yes, yes, yes. Looking pretty stylish. Yeah. So guys, I am going to just bring you guys along really quick because I'm going to get rid of a few things in my closet. And let me see if I can set y'all over here somewhere so we can do so. Okay? And then I tell y'all a little bit why I'm doing it. So come on. What's up with this light? She always does this to me. Stop it. Oh my gosh, y'all. And then it's like a gloomy day kind of too, so hopefully that'll work. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be letting go today. Let me try one more time, y'all, because I don't like not having that light myself. So is that going to help anything? Okay. Well, anyway, this is what we're going to do. We are going to let these go here because I don't know if you guys remember. These are the Lucky brand shoes, if you guys can see. Let me see if I can just turn y'all around this way. These are the, can y'all see better here? These are the Lucky brand shoes that I'm going to let go because they are actually, if you guys can see me, these are actually pilling in the inside. I'll show you. So I'm going to have to let these go because every time I take them on and off, they just peel off. So I'm going to let these go. And let's see what else is going to go. So look, y'all, let me see if you guys can see me. So I actually can put these here and these right here. I have more space. And then I can put my scarf here. And then I can take this purse that I washed. I ended up washing it, y'all, because she was really, really dirty. Really dirty. I washed it in the machine on Gentle Cycle. So I can put that here and keep it from hanging on there. And then over here, guys, I think I told you guys before I was going to get rid of these because if you can see the fronts The fronts are like really scuffed up, like really, really bad. So I don't, it doesn't make sense to keep those. And then the zipper is broke on one of these. I think it's on here. When it gets here, it actually, when it gets like right here, it actually stops. So that's going to be going. And then you see how I can just move my boots over, and then like right here, these are my winter boots. So these boots need they need heels on them. So I will be putting taking them to the shop and getting a heel put on them. And these are my Timberland boots for the winter. So I'm gonna put these here like that, and then these here, and then like I said, I can bring my boots down and I have more space up here, and I have really like what I'm gonna wear. Are you guys getting ready to start paring down? Because it's getting that time of the year. So yeah, now I got more space. So I got that going, and then for over here, oh, these shorts here, they're too big, and I'm gonna let these go. Y'all, these are really too big, and they're size 8. They're too big. So I'm gonna let these go. And these are the H&M. I really like these, but yeah, guys, they have to go. So yeah. So that's gonna be it. So I'll show you. I'll turn you guys around and show you what I'm gonna be letting go. So basically, what I am gonna do, guys, I am going to. Yeah, that's it. I am going to go to the Goodwill tomorrow, I think. And if I can bring y'all along, I'll probably bring y'all along. I'm not really looking for nothing. It's kind of like getting outing, but then I'm going to end up donating some stuff. So here are the items that are going to get donated to the Goodwill. Y'all, these are some really good shoes, but I can't do anything with them. So look at that. Really nice. It's nothing wrong with the heel or anything. So yeah, those are going to go. And then these boots, I'm going to toss these boots out. So I'm going to go in the kitchen too and show you. I'm going to go in the kitchen too and show you guys a few things I think I'm going to let go in there too as well. So let's hold on. I wanted to tell y'all also about this plant that I got. So this is the plant right here. Ain't she pretty? She's so pretty. It's a mother's tongue. And I'll tell you how I got her really quick. In the mailer, by moving to a new neighborhood, I was able to get a coupon for a free plant that was worth, you couldn't go over $10. So this is what I chose. And then the polar palm that I had in here, I gave it to one of my girlfriends, and she loved it, and she named her Sarah. So she told me today that that's what she did. She named her Sarah. So this is my new baby, a good air purifier. So if you're a person like that kills plants easily, you can't kill this. Just don't water it a lot. Give it mediocre light, and it'll be fine. So yeah, she's beautiful in her new pot. So let's head into the kitchen, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna let go in there. Okay. So guys, this video is gonna be really quick because I gotta go. Okay, I gotta do some adulting. But anyway, I'm gonna get rid of this blender because for some odd reason it keeps peeling on here. If you guys can see that, I do have the things to them. It does work, so I'm going to be donating this as well. I can use my actual bullet if I wanted to blend or like make a cake or something like that, or make some kind of homemade product. Yeah, so guys, that's going to do it for me today. If you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram at simply_natural_black. And yeah, I have to go because I have some adulting to do. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.